Hi, Microsoft Word makes it easy to add stylish page borders to your documents for school projects, business files, certificates, and more. In this video, I will show you how to create and customize page borders in Microsoft Word using different border styles. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Then click on the Design tab in the top dashboard menu. Next, go to the top right corner and click on Page Borders. After that, the Borders and Shading window will appear on your screen. Now you can choose the border type you want. You can select Box, Shadow, 3D, or Custom depending on the style you prefer. You can choose the borderline style by clicking on the style list and selecting the design you want. Next, click on Color and choose any color you like. If you want to use a custom color, click on More Colors. Then open the Custom tab and enter the hex color code you want to use. After entering the color code, click OK. Now you can customize the border width by clicking on Width and selecting the size you want. You can also add decorative borders by clicking on Art and choosing any design you like. Then go to Apply to and select where you want the border to appear. You can apply it to the whole document, this section, first page only, or all pages except the first page. Next, if you want to customize the border margins bar, click on Options. Then choose the margin sizes you want for the top, bottom, left, and right sides. You can also choose whether the border is measured from the text or from the edge of the page. After finishing your settings, click OK. Finally, click OK again to apply the page border to your document. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.